Hey guys, quick little video. It is 10 to 11. I got home from the gym probably about 10:30, maybe 10:20, and I didn't have any chicken prepped for the week, so I kind of failed on that part. And I didn't have any vegetables cooked or anything. So this is just to emphasize why we food prep, is so that you are not in these situations where you're like, oh, I gotta go home and then I don't want to cook, it's too late, or I don't have time. It's a lot easier to grab fast food when you're stuck in that situation. It would have been so much easier for me just to stop at a fast food place and grab something, then come home. But I didn't. So, couple things. When I cooked my chicken, I didn't just cook enough for my meal. I cut it up. I actually used my scissors. I just cut up fresh chicken breast, put it in a skillet with some olive oil, cooked up a big batch that will last me through a couple days at least. I don't like to cook too much because then it gets dry. Then when I cooked my zucchini for dinner, I didn't, again, just cook one zucchini for dinner. I cooked a few, chopped them up, put them in water, threw them in the microwave, let them boil till they were cooked. Then I also had sweet potato fries left over from dinner last night that need to be eaten. Otherwise they'll go bad. And if I wait too long, they're kind of gross. So that is my meal, but again, just emphasizing, don't cook for just one meal, plan ahead, because then you're not going to be stuck in this situation every single night. That's when eating healthy gets really old and annoying, because you're constantly having to cook all of it. But if you just season your chicken with like general seasonings, I could make this into chicken burritos with Mexican, or I can do Frank's hot sauce on it if I want to do buffalo style. I can throw it in a tortilla. I can throw it on some rice. I can put it on a salad. It's just chicken, but I can do many different things with it. That's my trick, so that I'm not stuck eating the same thing. I don't season it too much so that I'm stuck with just that one season. Okay? So hopefully that kind of helps you plan for the week. Hopefully you survived your Monday. And let that kind of be a guide for the rest of the week. Comment below, though, if you have any questions or if you need some more suggestions.